seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Keep your aisles clear of all carrying items. Take a moment to check your seat pockets for any personal items like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful as items may have shifted during flight. You may not use your cell phones. American Airlines and our One World partners, thank you for flying with us today. We do hope to see you again soon on a future American Airlines flight. Have a wonderful rest of your day here in Boston or wherever your travels are taking you.